The ukulele is small, just a simple friend, with 4 tiny strings and a gentle sound that will never end. Its music is like a stream that's clear and bright, washing all the worries away, bringing back the light. They say it holds the magic to heal the soul, giving weary spirits a peaceful place to make them whole. We know that life is full of daily fears. Sometimes we're anxious, burdened by all the tears. We long for a soft whisper, a voice to guide, to give us a boost of power with nothing left to hide. When the pressure is heavy, we need a clear-cut sign, a gentle little signal that everything will be fine. Ukulele, this is my little lane. You could like me, forget all the pain. Ukulele, what a gentle sound. You could like me when anxiety's around. It's a sweet conviction, let your worries flee. It's my healing mission, setting your spirit free. No need for a grand stage, no need for all the fame. Just pick it up and softly play, calling out its name. The soft and steady plink, plink, just like a beating heart, reminds me to live in the moment, right from the very start. Ukulele, this is my little lane. You can like me, forget all the pain. Ukulele, what a gentle sound. You can like me when anxiety's around. It's a sweet conviction, let your worries flee.